Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, in our subject value education, we were doing chapter 5, the two kings. And you already know the story, right? We have done the part 1. Now let us read the part 2. So chapter 5, the two kings. If you remember, we had completed in the last lecture that there were two kings, King Samuel and King Alistair. One of them was very rude and always in anger with his subjects, that means with his people, and the other one was always calm, gentle and polite. So all people had a sense of strong respect for King Alistair. Now let us see further. It so happened that one day King Samuel declared war against King Alistair. One day King Samuel decided to have war against King Alistair. Okay. Both sides prepared their armies for the war, and both sides prepared their armies well for the war. On the day the war was supposed to begin, the two armies stood on the battlefield. When the war was supposed to begin, both the armies stood on the battlefield, facing each other. As you all have seen, when we are in two teams, we face each another. So in the same way they were standing. King Samuel shouted and ordered his army to begin the attack. King Samuel ordered. How did he order? He shouted and ordered to his army to begin the attack on the opposite team. But something strange happened. Now what happened when he ordered? The soldier did not even move a finger. The soldiers didn't even move a step from their place. If you are told something to complete this work, and if you are told politely, you will understand and do your work. But if someone shouts at you and tell you to do, will you do? No. So in the same way, the army did not even move a finger. King Samuel kept on screaming and repeating his orders, and King Samuel was again and again shouting and repeating his orders, but in vain. Vain means of no use. The army remained where it was and stubbornly refused to fight. The army remained at their position and they were also stubbornly refused to fight. That means they were strong in their decision that now we will not fight. King Samuel was let down by his army. So King Samuel felt very bad that my army is not listening to me, because they never heard a polite word from him, because the army had never ever heard something polite words from their king. So they were not listening. King Alistair won the battle and started ruling over both the kingdoms. Then what happened? Who won the battle as a result? Yes, King Alistair won the battle and started ruling, and he won the battle. So now he was ruling both the kingdoms, right? He was loved by all. He was loved by all, and it was all because of his politeness and genteel behavior. Now what is genteel, children? Respect, polite and kindness. Okay, it is same like gentle. So he was loved by everyone because of his kind, gentle and polite behavior. So what did you learn from this chapter? That we should be polite to everyone. Okay, see, let us see what are the learning objectives of this chapter. Check out the starting of this chapter. A polite person is always respected. A person who is polite is always respected, as King Alistair. Politeness makes a person kind and gentle. If we are polite to others, that means we are kind and gentle in our behavior. Politeness wins the heart of all, and politeness always wins the heart of all. Everyone likes us, but rude behavior is not accepted, right? So we should be nice to others, not because we are nice, not because they are bad or they are nice, but we are nice, so we should be nice to others. See this video. What happened? This is King Alistair and this is King Samuel. One day they planned a battle and then they both made their armies ready to fight in a battlefield. So they were ready. See, they are standing opposite of each other, facing each other. Then the King Samuel is shouting and ordering his army. But what happened? No one is even moving, even a finger. See, no one is listening. They are standing at their places. Again he is shouting and commanding. But again no one is listening, right? See, everyone is so sad because they don't want to hear his voice, which is very loud and angry. So then as a result, who won the battle? King Alistair, who was very kind to everyone, and he started ruling over both the kingdoms. So all the people love him because of his gentle and kind behavior. So I hope this chapter is clear for you. Now we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.